Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I am very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, friends. I am Jack. I feel excited to join you again. It always feels good to learn together.
And I am Emma. We love helping you practice English in a simple, clear, friendly way.
Before we start, please like this video.
And be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post helpful English lessons every single day.
Today, we have a very special topic, a very helpful topic.
Yes. Today, we talk about how to talk about your feelings in English.
Feelings are part of daily life. We feel something all the time. Happy, tired, angry, nervous, excited, calm.
Exactly. When you can talk about your feelings, communication becomes easier. People understand you better.
So today, we will practice I am sentences and I feel sentences.
We will explain vocabulary, grammar, and give many examples.
Let's begin our long and friendly conversation.
Jack, how are you feeling right now?
I am feeling relaxed. I slept well, and my morning coffee was delicious. What about you?
I am feeling bright and cheerful. I feel excited to teach today's lesson.
That sounds great. I love when we teach feelings because learners always enjoy this topic.
Yes, I understand. Feelings help us connect with other people. When you say your feelings, you show your true self.
Friends, let's look at something important. When you talk about emotions, you can use two patterns. Pattern 1, I am plus feeling word. Pattern 2, I feel plus feeling word.
For example, I am happy. I feel happy.
Both are correct. Both are natural. Both are easy.
But we do not say, I am feel happy. That is not correct.
Right, only I am happy or I feel happy.
Jack, do you ever feel confused?
Yes, I feel confused when I try to fold a fitted bedsheet. I can never do it.
Haha, me too. I always lose the corners.
Exactly, that is a universal feeling.
In daily life, we feel many small emotions. For example, in the morning, I feel sleepy. Later, I feel hungry. Sometimes I feel stressed, sometimes calm.
Yes, and sometimes we have mixed feelings. For example, I am excited to travel, but I am also nervous about flying.
That is very common. Mixed emotions are normal. Jack, what makes you feel happy?
I feel happy when I eat my favorite food. I feel happy when I listen to music. And I feel happy when our viewers write comments.
That sounds great. For me, I feel happy when I walk outside. I feel happy when I read a good book.
Same here. Nature always makes me feel peaceful.
Friends, here is a useful phrase. I feel a little...
Yes, this makes your feelings softer. For example, I feel a little tired. I feel a little sad. I feel a little nervous.
It is gentle. It is polite.
So if you don't feel very strong emotion, use this phrase.
And if your feeling is strong, you can say, I feel very...
Example, I feel very happy today. I feel very stressed at work. I feel very excited about this trip.
Exactly.
You can also say, I am feeling when the emotion is temporary.
Yes. For example, I am feeling tired right now. I am feeling nervous today. I am feeling better now.
It shows the emotion is happening at this moment.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am happy. Pause.
Good. Now try. I feel nervous. Pause.
Great. Next, I am feeling excited. Pause.
You are doing well. One more. I feel a little sleepy. Pause. Longer conversation about real-life feelings.
Jack, how do you feel when you see a cute dog?
Oh, I feel very soft inside. I feel happy and warm. I love dogs.
Me too. I am a dog person. When I see a dog, I feel peaceful.
What about when you work on something difficult?
I sometimes feel frustrated, but I also feel motivated to improve.
Yes, I understand. I feel frustrated too when something is hard, but when I learn it, I feel proud.
Exactly. That is a great feeling, feeling proud.
More teaching moments.
Friends, sometimes people ask, how do you feel? You can answer in many simple ways. I feel good. I feel okay. I feel great. I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel stressed. I feel worried. I feel calm.
These are all very natural.
Yes, you don't need long sentences. Simple is perfect.
Soft humor break. Emma, how do you feel when you look at the big pile of laundry?
Ha ha! I feel scared. I feel stressed. I feel like running away.
Same. Laundry is emotional.
Very emotional.
Teaching situational feelings. Let's talk about situations. Situation 1. You get a good grade. You can say, I am happy. I feel proud. Situation 2. You wake up early. I feel sleepy. I feel tired.
Situation 3. You go to a new place. I feel excited. I feel nervous. Situation 4. You finish a job. I feel relaxed. I feel calm.
Situation 5. You lose something. I feel sad. I feel upset.
Good examples. The first word is happy. Please repeat. Happy. Pause.
Happy means you feel good. You feel joy. Example. I am happy today. Example. This video makes me happy. The next word is sad. Repeat. Sad. Pause.
Sad means you feel unhappy. Example. I feel sad when I miss someone. Example. He is sad because it is raining.
Emma,
The third word is nervous. Repeat. Nervous. Pause.
Nervous means you feel worried or afraid before something happens. Example. I feel nervous before a test. Example. She feels nervous before speaking. The fourth word is excited. Repeat. Excited. Pause.
Excited means you feel happy with energy. Example, I am excited for the weekend. Example, they feel excited to travel. The last word is calm. Repeat, calm. Pause.
Calm means peaceful, relaxed. Example. I feel calm when I drink tea. Example. This music makes me calm.
Today, we talked about many feelings.
We practiced the patterns I am and I feel.
We learned how to make feelings stronger and softer.
We shared real-life examples, simple sentences, and fun jokes.
And we learned 5 useful words: happy, sad, nervous, excited, calm.
You did a great job today. I feel proud of you.
Keep practicing these sentences every day. Small practice makes big progress.
Now it is time for our question of the day.
How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling calm. I like teaching slowly and clearly.
I am feeling grateful. I feel happy when I see your comments.
Now you answer. Write your feeling in the comments using I am or I feel.
Thank you so much for watching today's long lesson.
We are happy that you joined us. You are improving every day.
Remember, practice a little every day.
In our next video, we will talk about how to describe your daily routine in simple English.
That sounds great.
See you next time, friends.
Bye-bye. Keep smiling and keep learning.